Sam's Club just raised its prices. And most members have no idea what they're missing in return. Starting May 1, 2026, fees went up. Club membership, $50 to $60 a year. Plus membership, $110 to $120. That stings. But buried inside this warehouse are perks most shoppers never touch. Perks that can wipe out that fee overnight. Here's what nobody's telling you. First, you don't even need a membership for the pharmacy. By policy, Sam's Club lets anyone fill a prescription. No card. No membership. Number 10% surcharge. Need a flu shot? Same deal. Walk in, get it, walk out. No membership required. Even the food court is open to everyone. Grab a hot dog, a slice, a soda. Zero membership. Zero surcharge. That's free services hiding in plain sight, and almost nobody uses them. Now here's where it gets bigger. The eye doctor inside Sam's Club. Independent. Anyone can book an exam. No card needed. You'll need membership to actually buy the glasses. But the exam itself, completely open to the public. Next, the discount almost nobody finds. If you're 50 or older, Sam's Club slashes your first year. 60% off club membership. That's $20 instead of $60. 50% off plus. That's $60 instead of $120. Veterans, active duty military, and spouses get the exact same deal. $20 for club. $60 for plus. And it doesn't stop there. Teachers. First responders. Healthcare workers. Government employees. College alumni. People on SNAP, Medicaid, SSI, SSDI, or HUD assistance. All eligible for those same rock-bottom rates. Verification takes minutes through id.me. The catch? It's for new members only. No active membership in the past 6 months. But here's the move. Cancel, wait it out, rejoin at the discount. Compare that to the competition. Costco charges $65 a year. Zero senior discount. Zero military discount. BJ's Wholesale matches Sam's new $60 price, but offers no age-based break either. Sam's Club is the only major warehouse chain putting real money back in the pockets of seniors and veterans. And most of them never even ask. So the fee went up. Fine. But if you're not using the pharmacy, the food court, the eye exams, or that new member discount, you're leaving serious cash on the table every single visit. And that's just the beginning. Because the biggest hidden perk of all isn't a discount code. It's a plastic card sitting quietly in the Sam's Club wallet app, turning every gas fill up into a 5% payday. Let's get into it. Everyone talks about Sam's Club gas prices. Almost nobody talks about the card that multiplies them. The Sam's Club Mastercard. Zero annual fee. And the rewards rate most cards can't touch. 5% back on gas. Anywhere Mastercard is accepted. Not just at Sam's Club pumps. That's on your first $6,000 spent per year. After that, it drops to 1%. Do the math. $6,000 in gas. 5% back. That's $300 a year, just from filling your tank the way you already do. It doesn't stop at gas. 3% back on dining and takeout. Every restaurant, every drive-through, every delivery order. Now here's the tier that changes everything. Plus members earn 3% back on purchases inside Sam's Club itself. Club level members still earn 1%. Stack that with the 2% Plus members already get automatically, and Plus shoppers are pulling in real cash back on almost everything they buy in the warehouse. Everything else? 1% back. No categories to track. No rotating bonuses to remember. And Sam's Club just made the payout bigger. As part of this year's fee increase, Plus members' yearly cashback cap jumped from $500 to $750. That's an extra $250 a year Sam's Club is now willing to hand back to its best members. Most of them don't even know the ceiling moved. Redeem it 3 ways. Online. In the app. Or right at the register. Apply it to your next membership renewal, and suddenly that fee increase barely stings at all. Now let's talk about timing, because Sam's Club runs one system almost nobody plans around. Instant savings events. They hit roughly every 3 to 4 weeks. Groceries. Electronics. Household goods. Clothing. Seasonal items. All discounted automatically. No coupons. No codes. No clipping anything. The second you're an active member, the price drops at checkout, automatically, on everything included in that cycle. Here's the strategic move. If you've got a big purchase coming up, a TV, a mattress, a season's worth of supplies, don't just walk in and buy it. Check whether it's part of the current instant savings window first. Buy inside the window, and you save automatically. Buy outside it, and you just paid full price for something that was about to get cheaper. Now picture stacking all of this together. You fill your tank using the Mastercard. 5% back, automatically. You dine out on the way home. 3% back, automatically. You shop during an instant savings cycle. Discounted prices, automatically. And if you're a Plus member, you're earning cash back on the purchase itself, on top of everything else. None of this requires strategy. It requires knowing it exists. That's the real secret behind Sam's Club. It's not one massive hack. It's a dozen small systems running quietly in the background, built to reward the members who actually pay attention. Most people swipe once, grab their rotisserie chicken, and leave. They never touch the card. They never check the savings calendar. They never realize how much is sitting right there, waiting to be claimed. But we're just getting started. Because there's a way to shop at Sam's Club without even having a membership card in your wallet at all. And the trick hiding in the gift card aisle might be the smartest move on this entire list. Stick around. It's next. Here's a secret hiding in plain sight. You can shop at Sam's Club without ever holding a membership card. Sam's Club runs an online guest option. Anyone can shop the website. The catch, a 10% surcharge on every order. But here's the workaround almost nobody uses. Gift cards skip that surcharge entirely. Buy a Sam's Club gift card, and you shop online like a full member. Number 10% fee attached. Now stack that with the discounted gift card trick. Sam's Club sells gift cards to other brands at steep discounts. We're talking up to 25% off face value. $100 in Logan's Roadhouse gift cards for $75. $100 Disney Plus card for under $95. Theme park gift cards discounted the same way. You were spending that money anyway. Dinner. Streaming. Vacation. The only difference is paying less for the exact same dollar. Next, the guest pass. Sam's Club offers a 24-hour pass to shop in person. It carries that same 10% fee. No curbside. No scan and go. But it gets you through the door to test the warehouse before committing to anything. And members get another perk most forget. You're allowed to bring guests with you. 2 per visit. Walk a friend or family member through the aisles, no extra charge, no guest pass required. Now here's a section Sam's Club barely advertises. The service departments most shoppers walk straight past. Tire and battery centers. Optical centers. All tucked in quiet corners, no crowds, no big signage. We already covered the eye exams, open to everyone. But full optical purchases, and the tire centers installation deals, are reserved for members. And they're consistently one of the most overlooked value centers in the entire warehouse. The instinct is to walk past. The smarter move: budget a few extra minutes on your next visit and actually check what those departments are charging. Then there's the travel portal, buried deep on the Sam's Club website. Hotels. Rental cars. Vacation packages. Theme park tickets at a discount off-gate price. Most members never click that tab. They shop groceries and electronics and never scroll down far enough to find the travel booking system sitting right there, built into their existing membership. Here's the pattern across every single one of these perks. None of them are secret in the sense of being hidden. They're published, right on Sam's Club's own website. But almost nobody reads that far. The pharmacy. The food court. The senior and military discount. The Mastercard. Instant savings. Discounted gift cards. The travel portal. All sitting there, available the entire time. Sam's Club isn't hiding anything from you. You're just not looking in the right places. So the fee went up $10. Fine. But we've now covered enough hidden value to cover that increase several times over. And we've still got one more piece left. The one move that ties every single perk on this list together into a single, repeatable system you can run every time you shop. That's coming up next. Let's bring this all together. Because the real value of Sam's Club isn't any single perk. It's what happens when you use them all at once. Picture a normal shopping trip, run the smart way. You fill your tank on the way there. Sam's Club Mastercard, 5% back automatically on the first $6,000 you spend on gas every year. You grab lunch beforehand. 3% back on dining and takeout, no extra steps required. You walk in during an instant savings cycle. Prices already dropped at checkout. Groceries, electronics, household goods, all discounted before you even reach the register. If you're a Plus member, you're also earning cash back on the purchase itself. 3%, stacked on everything else already happening in the background. None of this required a coupon. None of it required a code. It required knowing these systems exist and letting them run. Now add the pieces from earlier. Prescriptions and flu shots, open to the public, no membership needed. Eye exams, same deal. The food court, same deal. If you're 50 or older, a veteran, active duty military, a teacher, a first responder, a healthcare worker, or receiving programs like SNAP or Medicaid, your first year membership drops to $20 for Club, $60 for Plus. Verified in minutes through id.me. Compare that to Costco's $65, with zero senior discount and zero military discount. Sam's Club stands alone on that front. Add the gift card trick. Skip the 10% guest surcharge by shopping with a Sam's Club gift card instead. Stack discounted gift cards for restaurants, streaming, and theme parks on spending you were doing anyway. Add the travel portal, sitting quietly on the website, discounting hotels and rental cars most members never scroll far enough to find. Add the tire and optical centers most people walk straight past without a second glance. None of these are secrets Sam's Club is hiding from you. They're published right on their own website. The gap isn't information. It's attention. Here's the bigger truth underneath all of it. Every warehouse club counts on the average shopper doing one thing: swiping the card, filling the cart, and leaving. Not checking the savings calendar. Not reading the perks page. Not asking what the pharmacy actually offers to non-members. That gap between the average shopper and the informed one is where all this value sits, completely untouched, every single day. So yes, the membership fee climbed to $60 this year. Plus climbed to $120. That's real money. But run the math on what we just covered. Gas rewards alone can cover $300 a year. The senior or military discount alone can save $40 in year one. Instant savings events alone can shave real dollars off nearly every trip. And that's before the pharmacy, the food court, the gift cards, or the travel portal even enter the picture. The fee increase stings for exactly one type of shopper, the one who never looks past the checkout line. For everyone else, for the shopper who now knows where to look, this membership just got more valuable than it's ever been. So here's the real question. Are you going to keep swiping once and walking out? Or are you going to start using everything Sam's Club has quietly been offering you the entire time? Now you know where to look. What you do with it is up to you. That's the full breakdown. If this helped you shop smarter, you know what to do. Like it. Share it. And I'll see you in the next one.